Hey everybody, it's Neil, and the bikes are hanging up. It's winter time. I'm just not taking it down right now. It's too cold outside. I've been riding the Peloton, but once it dries up, I will. But what I have here is a bike tire repair kit. So I'm gonna show you guys what we get in this kit. This one's got 32 pieces of fun. So let's see what we've got here. I'm gonna aim you down so you can actually see it. So here we go. So in here we have bike tire, wow. The user manual. They printed it on some really weird color that I can barely see it. Maybe, okay, the inside is white. Okay, so there you go. So there, if you need instructions, there you go. So what you can do, so basically if you have a tire puncture in your tire, you can take your, these are to take your tires off. You can pry them in, you pry it under the bead of the tire, and then you can lock it under a spoke with those. So you've got a couple of those. We've got some sandpaper to sand down the area. We have lots of, these are really, if you really need to scuff it up good. So that's that. And then we have, it looks like here, these are gonna be the patches here for it. So yes, they are. So they are rubber patches. So when you get into the inside of the tire, this isn't gonna repair your tube, this is gonna repair your tire. Okay, so so once you get into the tire, on the inside of the tire, then you can put, so you've scuffed it up and you've ran through all this stuff here, and you've got it off. And on the inside of the tire, I don't have a tire. I don't even have a tire, I don't think, here. All the tires are in boxes right now, but okay. But I have a tire, but what you do is this is all on the inside of the tire, and then you kind of ream it up and sand it. You put some rubber cement on it, and then you put one of these little rubber patches over it. And then it's sealed up. You just let it dry for a minute or two, and then it's sealed up, and then you can put a new tube in it and do it that way. So that's what happens if you get a hole in your tire. So you still need to put a new tube in there, but this is going to help you repair your tire. So that's what this is for. So this is good. It's nice to have this here. If you know, it's a bike tire repair kit. So if you have that, it's all, you always want to carry an extra tube too. But this will help you repair your tire on the road or back at home or whatever like that. I have to use these things here on some ones, depending on what it is. If it's my mountain bike, I can go ahead and repair it and just leave it on there, and it'll last as long as the bike because it's not super high pressure. If I do it on my road bike, it'll last to the ride home. So I just keep this in the car, and then I can just use it for a little bit if I need it. But it does work. These do work. They do hold on good. If you get good pressure in there, depending on how big the hole is and things like that, that's when sometimes you need a whole new tire. But this will hold it closed. It's great for bikes and things like that. So electric bikes and all that's going to work great for. So thumbs up.